Are you tired of watching your profits shrink as fast as your reimbursement checks? Are you suffering from a lack of new patients? Is your organization where you want it to be, or do you constantly wrestle with getting systems and strategies in place that never seem to work the way you want them to? Hi, I'm Mark Santa, CEO of Breakthrough Coaching. And if you're like most chiropractors, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Reimbursements are down, the regulatory environment is more difficult than ever. HIPAA compliance has become super complex, and the penalties for failure to follow the rules can flat out bring a practice to its knees. At Breakthrough Coaching, we believe that success is a system, backed up by sound business principles that apply to a chiropractic practice. Every one of our coaches were first Breakthrough Coaching members who graduated from the program before becoming a coach. We work with you one-on-one, not in a group setting, not in webinars, to help you achieve the freedom that comes from financial abundance. As a thank you for stopping by our website, I'd like to send you our complete video series, The Top 10 Strategies You Must Master for a Successful Chiropractic Practice, absolutely free. Just enter your name and email in the boxes on this page, and the series will be sent to you at no charge whatsoever. Enter your name and email, and let's get our profession the respect it deserves. Thanks for watching.